1876, runway 27 clear for takeoff.
Runway 27 clear for takeoff, KAP 1876.
Friendly 131, contact departure.
Friendly 131, pushing north.
Airspeed is live, 40. 50. Nose up. And we're climbing about 90 knots. And let's clean up for a nice normal climb. That's going to be about 85 to 95 knots. We're going to keep it about 80. And get the manifold pressure down to 2300. Get RPMs to 2400. Look for traffic. Normal climb, mixture full range, cool flaps open, and we good to go. Well, good morning everybody, it's Mladen. Today I'm picking up Cessna 182 from the maintenance shop for Civil Air Patrol. Short flight, about 40 nautical miles back to Gettysburg, which is a home base for this airplane. We departed Hagerstown, which is a Delta airport. We got cleared for departure and a left turn, and we should be direct flight back to Gettysburg. It's a beautiful morning. It's about 8:45 a.m. We're supposed to get high temperature with a heat index of 110 in afternoon. That's why I really like flying early in the morning. So, short flight, a little hazy. It's not bad. Visibility. It's coming from heat. Yes. So everything looks good. We're gonna climb to about 3,000, and then we're just gonna enjoy the flight. Contact Potomac, get our responder code to get back into Gettysburg. So I've been flying with the Civil Air Patrol for about 2 years now. I really liked it. There's a lot of great flying, a lot of low level, slow flying, a lot of steep turns. We got about 38.7 miles left for the short trip, with 2,800 feet. Make sure everything is for maximum cruise, power is set. And at 23, it should be between 15 and 23 inches, and between 21 and 2400 RPMs. Gotta bring it down to about 23. Manifold pressure we're gonna put down to 21, 23. It's nice and smooth, and we're gonna. That's what else we got. Mixture is lean, cool flaps closed. We're gonna cowl flaps closed. We're gonna lean a little bit. Save some fuel, save engine this way. Alright, so I already set up radios for Montgomery County. I like to do that way ahead of time. So once I'm coming in, the only thing I really need to concentrate is on my arrival. Traffic on the Nantower Airport, which can be very busy. There's a flight school there too, so a lot of things can happen fast, and so I like to be prepared. We're about 30 miles now away from Gettysburg. We're flying right over Route 40. So we're probably about maybe not even maybe 10 miles away from Frederick.
Flight 1832, turn right heading 360, climb maintain 4,000. Okay, rate 360 up to 4, 1832.
So this morning we had some heavy fog and low ceilings. That was all burning off quickly. Right now you can see some layer of clouds down low, but it's all cleared. Visibility is good. 3,500. We're cruising about 120 knots. Ground speed is about 136, and we are 26 miles from our destination.
Flight 1876, time approach, say the request again.
We KEP 1876, we're about 4 miles southwest of Frederick VR. We would like to go back to Gettysburg, looking for the responding code.
Flight 1876, squawk 4652.
4652 for KEP 1876. 4652. Alright, let's check our checklist for descent.
Traffic is Sky 5157 kilos.
Fuel selector is boned, power is desired, mixture is storage. Carb heat is going to be, we're going to slow down yet. The full flaps closed, the car flaps closed, and wing flaps as desired. Well, we're going to turn here. Coming traffic KEP 1876, doing 180, we'll enter on 45 for downwind 14. Right, carb heat is on. 1,600 pattern. And Montgomery traffic KEP 1876, downwind 14. About 100 knots, we should be about 90 here. And we're in a wide arc, right with the numbers, 10 degree flaps.
Traffic 572, follow student pilot, turning crossing 14, what's the time?
I have 45 degree with the number. Montgomery traffic, KEP 1876, turning left base, 14 Montgomery. Alright, 20 degree flaps. Can even slow down a little more. A little high, so we're gonna pull the power, drop full.
Traffic has going to the follow student pilot, turning downwind to 14,
Montgomery traffic, KEP 1876, final 14 Montgomery, full stop. Alright, here we go, about 70, 75, 70. Lower down a little bit, full flaps. Everything is checked in, ready for final. And we're keeping 70 on final, 70. Oh, nice landing. And we're gonna roll all the way to to the end. So we don't burn any brakes. Hot day, open the window. Alright, well that was a good flight. I hope you enjoyed it. Tried to keep my accent to the minimum. Everything went pretty good. I think it was a pretty good landing. I hope you liked it too.